Ano ba, Kabalen? Welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, and nandito tayo sa may Angeles City and to check out itong bagong-bagong Samgyupsal at the same time cafe.
Guys, it's gonna be a Korean day plus coffee, of course. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
This is our table, and if you've been here sa For You Cafe, you will recognize this. Ito talaga yung coffee shop nila na air condition. Meron din sing al fresco where you can actually sit here and enjoy your coffee. And now, like 2 months ago, in-extend yung mga food services dito and serving mga grilled samgyupsal at galbisal. So that's beef and pork samgyupsal. So yun nga guys, this is our table. And just for you to let you know guys, hindi po ito unlimited samgyupsal. So, pero dito sa For You Cafe and Grill, nakuha natin dito mga premium meats.
So since hindi nga sila unlimited, they are by order. So for the meats naman, so we have 4 options. So meron tayong samgyupsal, moksal, meron tayong galbisal, and yung kanilang hanjeongsal. So which is, yun yung mga pagpipilian natin.
Kagandahan din dito guys, unlimited naman yung mga side dishes natin. So, yun naman guys, ay eat all you can until you are full. So, let's get into it guys. Kain na tayo. Thank you For You Cafe and Grill. Tawag dun sa vegetable na yun, mineri. First time naming may encounter and ganun pala siya iluto. Ayun. So, ayun siya. That is so big.
Kapag nag-dine in kayo dito, sila na yung magluluto para sa inyo. So, ang gagawin na lang natin dito is talagang kakain na lang. So, so this is sample and all in one bite.
Dapat talaga matuto kaming magluto nito. Sarap nito guys.
Yes, po.
So guys, may bagong dumating na mga meats. Good thing, mga different variation naman yung pinatry nila sa atin. So ito yung moksal at saka yung hanjeongsal.
Mix of everything.
For you. So once again, thank you so much For You Cafe and Grill for inviting us, and congratulations po for transitioning into another talaga namang hinahanap-hanap ng mga Kapampangan. Samgyupsal.
So, For You Cafe and Grill is located sa may Barangay Anunas, Fil-Am Highway, Angeles City. So, they're open from 9 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. Monday to Sunday.
Yun guys, so if you're craving for this kind of food, Korean, and at the same time, available pa rin yung mga coffees natin dun sa loob, you gotta check out For You. So, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So, that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye guys.